Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Northeastern Weston County in central New Jersey, southeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Essex County in northern New Jersey until 9 p.m. At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hopewell, or 14 miles southwest of Somerville,
Moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
strong winds and heavy rain. Source, radar indicated. Impact expected to level 3 Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Long Branch, Asbury Park,
Somerville, Sandy Hook, Somerset, Henderson, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Manalapan, Concord, Falls, Holyoke,
and Middlesex. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between
Exeter and Virginia. Interstate 287 in New Jersey, 18-mile marker to the west. Cardinal Street Highway, 18-mile marker east, and 134.
Heritage protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm.
Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to